So let's now have a look at the objectives template. You'll see that it's really very simple to complete. We've got a list of the selected objectives, and every objective starts with the infinitive verb, to do something. To agree a listing for product X in all stores by the end of Q1, or to agree a contract to supply 10% of the total business by the end of the year, that sort of thing. You'll see also that we set milestone objectives for each of the quarters. And this is useful because it tells everyone where you expect to be by when, and of course it helps you measure progress. The problem with setting long-term, let's say 12-month objectives, is you just don't know how you're doing until the end, by which time, of course, it's too late to take any action. So if we set ourselves objectives, progress objectives, at least every quarter, then if you prefer, you can do every month, and then you'll have a good understanding of how you're doing, and you'll be able to take corrective action when it's necessary. You can also see that we like to use the same form to record performance. And this is really helpful because now we don't need to use a different form for a progress review. So let's turn to the action plan. Again, it's very simple. List all of the actions that you have to do to take place, the additional resources you need, when they'll be completed, who's going to be responsible for completing them. And again, we use the same form to measure progress because we can indicate when the action's been completed. Some managers prefer to list the action by objective, others prefer to list it by chronology or by person. Well, whichever way you prefer, you can be sure that once you've completed the action, it'll be clear to everyone exactly what's happened by when to achieve the objectives. Thank you.